What I love is that I think when you go and you want to be an individual and do something unique, when you're able to start out with a product that's unique to you, it makes a difference.
Especially in the sartorial world, nowadays, if you walk into any boutique, you're only going to find a black or navy suit at the most. You're not going to find variety for suits, variety of tuxedos, variety of button-down shirts. Oh, can I walk in and get a black suit? Yeah, sure, but how many black suits do you need to have? So once you come from that idea, customizing a suit for you and customizing several suits or several shirts or trousers that a brand like Prada makes, but if they're not available at all, it's quite interesting idea.
That is a great idea, but it's one thing that makes, I think, people more unique. And I think that's the evolution of fabric. Because I remember as a child, my father, I go in his closet, he had 15 black suits. So it's changes the world. Maybe somebody has a staple of suit, but I think people maybe want more originality now. That's why I think, building your own suit, I think speaks your personality.
Exactly.
Thank you.
Let's make it happen.
Make it happen.